going to show you how to use a SmartBoard by using a SmartBoard. First, we have to start out by saying, what is a SmartBoard? SmartBoards are interactive whiteboards or devices that allow the user to touch the whiteboard and manipulate objects, text, and various software tools. This is a nice Chinese proverb because SmartBoards allow you to hear, see, and do.
Okay, some of the benefits of using an interactive SmartBoard in your classroom include it's great for demonstrations, just like we're doing today, and it's very versatile. You can use it in preschool, and then there's huge corporations that use SmartBoards. When you have just one computer in the classroom, like most public schools do, the kids are able to interact with it and actually come up and do it. It's interactive and helps make the subject come alive, and we'll show you examples of that in a little bit. It can accommodate different learning styles. Nowadays, there's all different levels of students in your classroom, and it's tactile, you can touch it, it's got audio, all kinds of things. It encourages the involvement of students in the subject. It gives the teacher a vast array of electronic resources. There's tons of manipulatives that you can use with the SmartBoard, and it enables links to be made between technology and different subject matters. And this is just a link that we used to find this information that you can just kind of look at and see.
All right, I found some pictures of students actually using the SmartBoard. These are some students with the animal life cycle. Here's some matching words to the shapes. He's actually practicing cursive with his finger. Okay, ways to use an interactive SmartBoard. This is just a few to name a few: digital storytelling, brainstorming. You can reinforce the skills by using online interactive websites, which we'll show you in a few minutes. Teach students how to navigate the internet and explore subject-appropriate websites. Teach steps to a math problem, time, lots of stuff. You'll see a cool talking calculator in a moment. Save lessons to present students who are absent. To present to students who are absent, and here are some of those. Okay, where'd it go? Here we go. These are some more things that you can use your SmartBoard for in the classroom. This is where we found our information. Okay, and here, we're not going to show you this video. It is only 3 minutes unless you want us to. It's a 3-minute video. It's a very good video on why we found this on YouTube too, why to use SmartBoards. Also, I have this website here that I found. It's got math websites, just links automatically go straight to them. This is good to put on your Delicious to save. And you've got time, you've got science, general, all the way down to geography. I mean, it's just, all these websites are just interactive for SmartBoard itself. So, cool website. Go to it. Learn it. Here we go. I do want to just show you this. Oops, wrong thing. Here we go. Just like 30 seconds of this, I want y'all to see the beginning of this video.
So what makes the SmartBoard easy to use? That's simple. It has 3 unique features that help teachers deliver inspiring lessons that engage students in extraordinary ways. Touch recognition, the pen tray, and smart notebook software. What is touch recognition? It's the newest feature in our SmartBoard interactive whiteboards.
It's got, it just goes on to tell you what the 3 of those things are, which we are actually going to show you here in just a moment.
Okay, and now we want to show you a few of the things that you can use with the SmartBoard. It's just going to come like that.
Go ahead.
Okay, I've been doing arts and education, and this is an example of integrating art into technology. And this was really cool because they took a podcast from the Modern Museum of Art in New York City, and they added it to this picture. And this is an example of a children's lesson.
A green man is having a staring contest with a cow. A small woman is milking a small cow. In the distance, a farmer carries a tool with a curved blade for cutting grain. He meets an upside-down woman walking in front of her upside-down house. Is this a dream? Maybe. Or maybe artist Marc Chagall is mixing memories of his home in Russia with folk tales he heard when he was little. He was living far from home in the big city of Paris, France, when he painted this picture. Look at the big cow again. Did you notice that thin line connecting her eye to the eye of the man? Maybe Chagall connected them because he remembered how much the animals and people in his town relied on each other. Maybe all nature was important. Check out the tree the green man is holding, with clouds of seeds bursting out of it. Chagall said, "Our whole inner world is reality." He meant that what we see in our imaginations can be as important as what we see with our eyes. How would you paint your feelings about your hometown?
And this was just an example of some of the tools that SmartBoard has. And another neat feature is it has this little shade that you can
Touch the circle in the middle.
that you can actually move things and cover up answers. I'm gonna go ahead and close that off. And this just tells some information about the painting. So it's a great way to interact with the kids and just like Kaya's story, help them to see things and look at the details.
And you can also play games, which is super fun. So, this is a little it's PBS Kids, and you have to match the number, and when you do, it will.
And it gets harder as it
It
progresses.
gets harder. They only give you one, so once you use the 8, you have to then add to make 8, and then
The left. And so on and so
and then it will go. And then we also have a
Aerodome.
we also have a talking calculator. Anyone like to give us a math problem?
Anything.
No one?
5 plus 7.
5 plus 7 equals 12.
Awesome.
Clear.
All right.
So that's how you can use it in your classroom, like if you have kindergartners or preschoolers, or make it fun for them.
All right, last but not least, and you guys can play with this on your way out if you want to. Here's your blank sheet of paper. We've got cool things here. We've got smiley faces. We've got, what are those? Daisies. If you take out a pen, now this pen, you can use this up here to write, but you can also use your finger, as long as this is out of its place. Blue, it knows I've got the blue ink or the blue pen. Same with the eraser. I can erase it like this, or you can erase it with your hand. You can erase it with a tennis ball. It doesn't matter as long as the eraser is out of its hole here. Once it's back in, no, things like that happen. So. All right,
Keyboard.
yeah. And then
Oh,
you
yeah.
can
There's also a keyboard that you can
come up. You can type in a text
type in a
box.
text box.
That's how you kind of like the iPad. You touch it with your hand, type it in, and it's there. But there's a lot of cool things. Again, if you use your magic pen, you circle it, it highlights it. You can close it out. There's just so many things that we could be here all night. So anyway, if you want to come up and play, you're more than welcome to. We'll leave this up on your way out. Draw your name, whatever. Okay? And there's our presentation.
You can ask me.
Any questions? You guys can go ahead. Yeah, it's the end of our... There you go. Are there any questions?
No?
Okay. All right. We're good to go. That's it. All right.